In today's video, you will learn how to add captions on CapCut PC. Captions are one of the easiest ways to make your videos more engaging and easier to understand, especially for viewers who are watching without sound. They also help highlight key moments and keep people focused on what you are saying. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly generate captions and improve how they look using built-in tools. Start by bringing in your video file and placing it onto the editing timeline. This is important because captions are generated based on the audio from your clip, so your video needs to be ready and positioned before moving forward. Once your clip is in place, look toward the top menu and find the Captions section. Click on the Captions option, then select Auto Captions. This feature allows the software to automatically detect speech and convert it into text. After selecting it, choose the correct language for your video. This helps improve the accuracy of the generated captions. Once your language is set, click Generate and give it a moment to process. The software will analyze your audio and create captions that are synced with your speech. After the captions are generated, play your video to see how they appear. You should now see text showing up in sync with your audio. At this point, the captions are functional, but they may look very basic. You can adjust their appearance using the Settings panel on the right side. This allows you to change things like font, size, position, and style so the captions better match your video. If you want a faster and more polished look, you can go back and choose a Captions template instead. These templates are designed to give your captions a more modern and visually appealing style with minimal effort. Once you select the template, generate the captions again, and you will notice a significant improvement in how they look on screen. You can also fine-tune your captions by selecting individual text boxes and editing them directly. This is useful if any words are slightly off or need correction. In most cases, the auto captions feature is very accurate, so only small adjustments are needed. And that is how you add captions to your videos in CapCut PC, making your content more professional and easier for your audience to follow.